Hey, welcome to John's Guitar Lab. Muscle memory. Let's do some exercise. Nice and easy. All right, here we go. Have left hand. What we're going to do is take third finger here. All right, first finger, third finger, first finger, third finger, first finger, third finger, first finger. Okay, what we're doing. Third fret, first fret, third fret, first fret, third fret, first, third fret, first. All right, so we're getting this. Okay, that's what we're doing. All right. Now we're going to shift the first finger. Go 1, 3. 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3. So what did we do? We went from 3, 1 on the third first fret, then we went to 2, 4, second and fourth fret. We're staying with the first and third fingers. We're doing shift. Now we shift with the third finger to go up. So the whole point with this is we're going to start working to shift the hand down the neck or up the neck, however. Some people say down the neck going towards the lower notes, up the neck going to the higher notes. Some people say I'm going down the neck, that I'm going down towards the sound hole, and up that I'm going towards the tuning keys. All right, we're going this way. All right, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 2. We shifted with the first finger because we stopped on that note. We shift 1, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 4. Okay. Shift with the third finger, and then we just come back. As long as you have a fret in between and you're using 1, 3, 1, 3, 3, 1, it's safe. You're going to be all right. It's just that you have to remember is that we're going to the lower notes, higher notes. Another way to remember is that when you're going lower, the shift is going to be with the first finger. When you're higher, the shift is with the third finger. Okay? We're lower, shift is with the first finger. We're higher, shift is with the third finger. First finger. Shift is with the third finger. Okay? The whole point with this exercise is that right now, yes, I'm doing all downstrokes. Once you get comfortable that you can move this along, then comes the fun with the down, up, 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 down, up. Okay, muscle memory. All right, work that out. Questions, comments below. All right, if you like what you hear, please give me that thumbs up and subscribe. All right, and again, this is muscle memory. This is something you do while you're watching television or whatever. If you can tolerate it, that you have the metronome on, and that's better, no question about that. But sometimes our time is limited, so while you're watching the news or whatever it is that you watch, Okay, have a nice day.